Hey, super quick video today because I got action blocked again on Instagram and I'm going to tell you how to fix it. I wasn't even doing anything bad, just liking away as you do, and they blocked me. Anyway, the fix is very simple. It doesn't work in all cases, but there is a certain type of action block, you know, and it'll say, try again later, we restrict certain activity, blah 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 blah. And if it is the type of action block that is stored on your phone, some of them are stored on their service, but a lot of them are stored on your phone. It's kind of like a cookie on a website. It's the same principle, it stores data on your device, on your phone. And the solve is super simple. You just uninstall your app and it removes the cache. It removes those app cookies. And then you log back in again and boom, you're good to go. So if you've been action blocked, give it a try and it may work for you.